You are working on beautiful Sindhi or Urdu layout in InDesign, but something sticks out. The page numbers. They appear in English numerals instead of the elegant Sindhi and Urdu digits you desire. Don't worry, this quick tutorial will show you how to switch to Sindhi and Urdu numbers in just 3 simple steps. Let's get started. Step number 1. Open all the important panels. First, you need to open 3 panels: Characters panel, Paragraph panel and Pages panel. To open Characters panel, go to Type. Choose Characters. Shortcut key is Ctrl+T. To open Paragraph panel, go to Type. Choose Paragraph. Shortcut key is Ctrl+Alt+T. To open Pages panel, go to Window. Choose Pages. Shortcut key is F12. Why did I open Pages panel? It's because page numbers are directly linked to master pages in Pages panel. You need to open the parent page in Pages panel. So, in my case, I applied a master page on my main pages. It can be different in your case. So, make sure to open parent page that holds your page numbers. Just double click on a master page. You will get to see the parent pages that contains the page numbers. Remove the page numbers from both pages. Now, we will use Characters panel and Paragraph panel in next step. Step number 2. Compose the page numbers. It's time to work on Paragraph panel. Go to the top corner button in the Paragraph panel. Choose Adobe World Ready Single Line Composer or Paragraph Composer. Now make sure that you set your PC language to Sindhi. Now, draw the text frame at the bottom of the page. Let's write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's time to work on Characters panel. Let's enlarge the fonts up to 46 points for greater text visibility. Select the Sindhi font from the Characters panel. Let's choose Bombay Black Unicode. See, the numbers are still English numerals. To change it to Sindhi numerals, go to Language over here. Choose Arabic. That's it. See, the numbers are Sindhi numerals. Now, as you change Sindhi fonts, numerals also change their style. Now, let's delete all the numbers except number 1. Let's put it at the center, font color white. Step number 3. Insert special character. Select the number, then go to Type. Insert special characters, markers, and choose current page number. Shortcut key is Ctrl+Alt+Shift+N. A letter will appear here. Don't worry, it's because it is a master page. If it was B master page, then B would appear here. If I rename the master page to Aleph, then Aleph would appear here. Make a copy of this page number by holding Alt key, then drag it to the other page. Then release the mouse. A letter will appear here as well. Let's go back to main pages. See, all your pages have Sindhi numeral page numbers. Now, if you want to work on Urdu fonts, repeat all these 3 steps. First, you need to remove the page numbers. Select the Urdu language on PC. Single Line Composer from Paragraph panel. Urdu fonts from Characters panel. And set the language to Arabic. Then compose the page numbers using special characters. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful and easy to understand. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will reply you as soon as possible. You can email me at 𝗘𝘀𝗶𝗆𝘆1988@gmail.com. Follow my Facebook page over here, 𝗘𝘀𝗶𝗆𝘆 Productions. Follow my Instagram page over here, 𝗘𝘀𝗶𝗆𝘆 Studios. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. If you never want to miss any updates, click that notification bell icon. Now, I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.